What's up everyone? Subscribe to my channel because today we're diving into a machine that isn't just a car, it's a statement, a flex, a rolling piece of art engineered with zero compromise. I'm talking about the Brabus Rocket 900, one of the most extreme, most exclusive, and most ridiculously powerful creations ever unleashed on public roads. And trust me, by the time you finish this video, you'll understand why this beast commands attention, respect, and a price tag that looks more like a phone number with too many zeros. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's take a deep dive into what makes the Rocket 900 one of the wildest and most expensive performance monsters in the world. The first thing you need to understand about the Brabus Rocket 900 is that this isn't just a tuned Mercedes. No, this is Brabus going full mad scientist, ripping apart a perfectly good AMG and rebuilding it into something that feels illegal to even look at. The level of engineering, craftsmanship, and obsession that goes into this car is unreal. Brabus doesn't just upgrade parts, they redesign everything from the ground up. The Rocket 900 feels like something that shouldn't exist outside of a billionaire's fantasy garage, yet here it is, loud, unapologetic, and ready to smoke almost anything that dares line up next to it. Let's talk power, because that number 900 is not a cute nickname. It's real, it's violent. It's 900 horsepower delivered from a handcrafted, Brabus-tuned 4.5-liter twin-turbo V8. Brabus took the original AMG engine, increased the displacement, installed bigger turbochargers, reinforced the internals, and then mapped everything so precisely that the car feels like it's powered by bottled lightning. You're looking at 900 horsepower and around 1,250 newton meters of torque, numbers that would make a hypercar blush. 0 to 60 happens in roughly 2.8 seconds, which is insane considering this is still technically a 4-door luxury sedan. It's the perfect mix of limousine comfort and missile-like acceleration, a combination few cars on Earth can deliver at this level. But power isn't the only thing that makes the Rocket 900 special. The exterior alone looks like something straight out of a futuristic action movie. The aggressive carbon fiber body kit is more than just for show. Every vent, every fin, every curve has been wind tunnel tested to keep the car stable when you're flying at speeds other humans never experience on land. The massive air intakes feed the beast under the hood. The widened fenders add presence and stance, and the carbon diffusers and spoilers make sure the rocket doesn't launch itself into low orbit when you put your foot down. Brabus designs these cars to dominate both visually and mechanically, and the Rocket 900 hits that target perfectly. The wheels alone deserve their own spotlight. Brabus equips the Rocket 900 with lightweight forged wheels that look like they belong on a concept car. They're massive, they're sculpted with precision, and they make the car look even more intimidating. Wrapped in high-performance tires, these wheels give the Rocket 900 the grip needed to channel all that power into the pavement instead of turning the rear tires into expensive smoke. Now step inside, and the first thing you notice is the atmosphere of pure luxury mixed with futuristic performance vibes. Brabus interiors are built by hand, tailored like a custom suit. We're talking premium leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber, and stunning stitching patterns you won't find anywhere else. Every surface is soft, polished, or engineered with premium materials. The seats feel like they came out of a luxury jet, and the cabin lighting sets the tone for whatever mood you're in, calm and elegant, or red hot and ready to launch. It's comfort on an elite level, but with a constant reminder that you are seated inside something extremely powerful. Driving the Brabus Rocket 900 isn't just transportation, it's an experience. The sound from the exhaust is a deep, thunderous roar that turns heads instantly. It's not just loud, it's tuned to perfection. The car growls aggressively at low RPMs, screams at high RPMs, and crackles like fireworks when you lift off the throttle. It's addictive. It's a symphony of controlled chaos. And if you live in a quiet neighborhood, well, your neighbors are about to hate you after every cold start. But here's the thing, the Rocket 900 isn't just about raw power, it's also about exclusivity. Only a small handful of these cars exist, and each one is built for someone who wants something truly unique. The price easily shoots into the stratosphere, reaching into the multi-$100,000 or even $1 million range depending on custom options. This isn't a car for the average buyer. This is for collectors, celebrities, business moguls, and people who want to own something that screams status louder than words ever could. Everything about the Rocket 900 is designed to push boundaries. It's not meant to blend in. It's meant to dominate. Whether it's the insane performance, the luxurious interior, the aerodynamic design, or the road presence that feels almost supernatural, the Rocket 900 is the definition of over the top, in the best possible way. If you had the keys to this monster, every drive would feel like an event. Every acceleration a reminder of the engineering excellence beneath your feet. It's the kind of vehicle you buy not because you need it, but because you want to experience something most people will only ever dream about. That is the magic of the Brabus Rocket 900. So if you enjoyed this breakdown and want more videos about ultra-rare, ultra-expensive, and ultra-powerful machines like this one, make sure you hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and comment which car you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.